Is it okay now? Now let's check. I hope now it's fine. Yeah, and I think now it's fine, right? Fine. So computer networks lecture number 2. Computer networks lecture number 2. So those people who followed the first lecture, please let me know where I stopped. If you followed the first lecture, please let me know where I stopped. Please let me know. Let me know where I stopped. What is the last thing I stopped? What is the last thing I stopped? Those people who followed, please let me know. In the last class, I said all the basics which are needed. All the basics which are needed, right? I said in the last lecture. Now I will say the remaining things, right? Let me start now. Let me start. Now, before starting, let me say something about an academy. Before starting, let me say something about an academy. So, right? See this one. If you are serious about GATE examination, right? If you are serious about GATE examination, and if you want to crack the good GATE rank, my suggestion to you is, right? Please take the Unacademy subscription, right? Please take the Unacademy subscription so that syllabus will be completed within 6 months. August ending, your syllabus will be completed. If you start the Unacademy subscription today, August ending, syllabus will be completed. So that September onwards, right? 3 months for revision, 3 months for the practice. You are going to get a very good rank. If you really want to get the very good GATE rank, my suggestion is this is the plan. August ending, you should complete syllabus, 3 months for revision, 3 months for practice. If you do that, everything is fine. If you join Unacademy, it is possible. It is possible. August ending, syllabus completion. If you start today, if you follow YouTube classes, right, it will be right here also syllabus will be completed, but it will take lot of time. Really, it will take a lot of time. Trust me, it is possible. Here also syllabus will be completed, but the thing is, it will take more time because here only few hours are there. See, I have only few hours in a month. I have approximately I can take, right, 10 classes I can take in a month. But in the plus class I can take in a month 60 classes. In the plus class or iconic class, I can take in a month 60 classes. Plus class, I have the 60 classes. Morning 1 class, evening 1 class. Morning 1 class, evening 1 class. Like that, right? 30 into 2, 60 classes in a month. But on the YouTube, I can take maximum 7 to 10 classes only. So trust me, right? If you are serious, please take an Unacademy subscription. The reason is this one. Today only one batch started. You can attend in this batch. Today only one batch started. Ignite 2.0 batch. Today only started. In this batch, I am going to teach. Algorithm, data structures, programming, TOC, compiler design, computer network, discrete mathematics. These are the subjects which I am going to cover in this batch. Almost like 7 subjects. If you follow properly these 7 subjects from me, approximately 60 marks will come from these 7 subjects. If you follow from my notes only, you are able to see 50 to 50 marks directly from notes only will come. If you study properly, right, you will get 60 also. I am able to see every year, right, minimum 50 marks from my notes. All these subjects, remaining subjects purpose, Vishwadeep sir is there, Uma sir is there, Saurabh sir is there, Shreya sir also there. Totally, right, for remaining subjects purpose, so many good teachers are available. use referral code ready sir, because some discount, some offer is going on, you can utilize it. If you are serious, my suggestion is without thinking little bit also negatively, please join today. Please join today. Otherwise, syllabus completion will take a lot of time. You will be losing side. 1 year will be wasted. Next one, there is a 2025 people, one more batch is started today, foundation batch. 2025 people purpose, one more batch is started, foundation batch. February 28 onward, this batch is started. So in this batch also, I am going to cover 7 subjects, right? So use the referral code ready sir. Next one, right? There is one nice offer is going on, save up to 50%. One nice offer is going on, save up to 50% for 2024 people. Plus class you can join, iconic also you can join, right? You can join. My suggestion is go for iconic because you will get many advantages. Go for iconic, you will get many advantages. Use the referral code ready sir to get the discount, right? So, and one more thing is, right, within few more days price hike is there. Within few more days price hike is there. It is right at that time you have to pay huge. My suggestion is please go for plus or iconic, whatever you want to select. My personal opinion is go for iconic because you no need to pay any amount, right? You no need to buy anything afterwards. If you go for iconic, right, everything is free. But if you go to the plus, right, maybe you have to buy some printed material and all, right? So my suggestion is please take the iconic subscription, do your level best to get the nice rank. Next one, right? So if you are 2025 people, you can go for a plus also, you can go for iconic also, right? Again, use the referral code ready sir, you will get some discount. Until 50% offer is going on. Today is the last date. See, today is the last date. Today is the last date. If you are serious, my suggestion is please go ahead. Don't wait that much time. Right? 1 year completing syllabus means when will you practice? When will you revise? You only say. 1 year completing syllabus. When you practice, when you revise. You may say that, sir, why don't you complete total? They don't allow me. They will give to me 7 to 10 lectures. In a month, I can take maximum 7 to 10. Right? Because I have to take plus classes. They are the people who joined already. Already joined people, I have to do justification. Morning 3 hours class, evening 3 hours class. Every day 6 hours class I am teaching. Every day 6 hours class I am teaching. Right? This one only 1 hour lecture. 1 hour lecture maximum, right? 7 to 10 lectures are there. Right? I will complete here also, but the thing is a lot of time it will take. If you are serious, my suggestion is please go here. Please join as soon as possible. Don't waste the time. Don't delay it. Next one. You can go for Raudra lectures also. And if you are already completed 2023 GATE examination, you can verify your rank. Use this QR code, click on this user, right? Scan this QR code and follow these steps. You are able to see your rank. Right? Let's go to see this one. This is the subscription plans. If you go for iconic, see, all are free. If you go for iconic, you will get all advantages. If you go for plus, you will get few. If you go for light, Unacademy light, only test series and daily practice questions, you will see only this. Right? Fine. So my suggestion to you is please go for iconic. You will get so many benefits. 24 people, 25 people, you can join as soon as possible. If you delay more, right, you will be in the losing side. If you join as soon as possible, right, then you will be in the forward direction. If you delay, you are in the backward direction, right? If you take subscription and if you start studying, you will be in the forward direction. You decide yourself what you want. Right? There is offer also going on. 50% offer also there. Today is the last date. Right? Let's start now. Yeah, I think in the last class, if you observe, I stopped here. Last class, if you observe, I stopped here. See this one. IP addressing topic is going to be, right, class full address. Class full address. This is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full address. I think this is the place where I stopped. Class full addr Yeah, audio coming or not? Audio is coming or not? Someone is saying no audio, sir. That's the reason I'm asking. Is audio there? Yeah. Is audio there? Right. Then let's see this. Let's see this one. So classful addressing. Classful addressing. What it means? Let me say this one. Listen. As I mentioned in the last class. Let's see this one. Classful addressing. Classful addressing. Right? All IP addresses according to classful addressing. All IP addresses will be divided into, right, 5 groups. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, Class E. Totally 5, right? 5 classes. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, Class E. According to classful address, all the IP addresses will be divided into 5 classes. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, Class E. And one more thing, as I mentioned to you, right? IP address is how many bits? As I mentioned to you, IP address is how many bits? 32 bits, which is nothing but 4 octets, means 4 byte. So first byte, right? First byte, colon, second byte, colon, third byte, colon, fourth byte. And one more, first byte means first byte. First byte contain how many bits? 8 bits. 8 bits means what is the minimum decimal value possible? 0. What is the maximum decimal value possible? 255. So every byte you are able to see 0 to 255. Minimum 0, maximum 255. Every byte, those are the possibilities. So class A, right, as I mentioned to you, see this one. Class A, as I mentioned to you, so first byte, colon, second byte, colon, third byte, colon, fourth byte. So class B also same. Class C also same. Class D also. Class E also. Right? According to classful addressing, IP addressing contain 2 parts, classless, classful. According to classful addressing, IP addresses are 5 classes. All IP addresses are divided into 5 classes, A, B, C, D, E. And one more, every IP address contain 4 octets. First byte, second byte, let me write now. First byte, second byte, first octet, second octet, third octet, fourth octet. Like that 4 octets are there. Yeah, let me check if anyone having any doubts. Right. Yeah, someone is saying something. Yeah, fine. Yeah, I will explain everything. Right? So totally, right, 5 classes. Right? So remember, IP address is 32 bits. If you want above, I will write. Here I can write. Here I am writing. Before going to classful addressing, here I am writing. IP address is how many bits? 32 bits. 32 bits. IP address 32 bits. Means 4 octets. IP address is 32 bits, 4 octets. And one more, IP addresses will be divided into 5 classes, A to E. Yeah, fine. I'm thinking everyone is comfortable. Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. 5 classes are there, A to E. right? Every class, right? Every class contain 4 octets. And one small question I want to ask you. Listen, one small question I want to ask you. Right? Class A, class B, every class contain 4 octets. Some people are asking, sir, by seeing IP address, suppose if you give one IP address, how can I say this IP address belongs to which class? Because every one contain 4 bytes. Every IP address contain 4 bytes. By seeing the IP address, how can I say it belongs to which class? You may have doubt. So something like this, right? If I want to explain how I can say this IP address belongs to class A, how can I say this IP address belongs to class B? How can I say? If you ask me, very simple. If you take the telephone number, right? 011, right? I think, can you help me one small line now? 011. By seeing the telephone number starting with 011, right? I think it belongs to which state? Right? 011 starting. It belongs to which state? Please let me know. Right? In the similar way, right? I think 040. Maybe I think it is from Hyderabad. By seeing the right telephone number 040, I feel that it came from Hyderabad. 110, I think it is from Delhi. 110, it came from Delhi, I think so. I think what is the Mumbai? I don't think so. I still remember 022, I think so. So what I want to say is, if I give telephone number by seeing the prefix, you can easily say it came from which state? 022, I think it came from Mumbai. 040, it came from Hyderabad. Right? 110, it came from Delhi. Or 011, I don't know exactly. So what I want to say is, for the telephone, by seeing the prefix, I can say it came from which state? In the similar way, right? So by seeing the first octet, I can easily say this IP address belongs to which class? Right? By seeing first octet, I can say it belongs to, right, which class? Let me say one interesting line. Listen. Everyone listen. First bit. Careful. In the first octet, first bit. In the first octet, first bit. Listen. In the first octet, first bit is 0. In the first octet, first bit is 0. It is a class A. First bit is 0. Class A. In the first octet, first bit is 0. Class A. Now, suppose isn't that. If it is 1, I will come to here. Listen, if it is 1, 0 class A, let me write properly. See this one. First bit is 0, it is a class A. If the first bit is 1, listen, if the first bit is 1, answer is going to be, first bit is 1, answer is going to be B also, C also, D also, E also. If the first bit is 0, class A. If the first bit is 1, right, answer is going to be B also, C also, D also, E also. We cannot say clearly it belongs to what? Starting with 1 means it is a B, C, D, E. Now see, some people are asking, sir, B, C, D, E, which class, how I know? Very simple. See the second bit. If the second bit is 0, second bit is 1. If the second bit is 0, class B. If the second bit is 0, class B. If the second bit is 1, answer is C, D, E. Right, in the C, D, E, which one? Again same. Third bit you have to see. If the third bit is 0, class C. If the third bit is 1, answer is D and E. Now see the fourth bit. If the fourth bit is 0, class D. Fourth bit is 1, class E. This is the way. Which you have to take care. Right? First bit is 0, class A. Right? First bit is 1. Right? Then answer is B, C, D, E. How I know? How I know it is a B or C or D or E? You have to see second bit also. If the second bit is 0, class B. 1 0, class B. Right? Some people are asking, sir, how to decide it? Class C. Very simple. What answer? You have to see third bit also. 110. 110, class C. Starting with 110, class C. Right? Next one. Starting with 1110, class D. Right? Starting with 4 ones. Class E. Please take care. First octet, listen, means first byte, first bit is 0, class A. First byte, first 2 bits are 10, class B. First byte, first 3 bits are 110, class C. First byte, first 4 bits are 1110, class D. First 4 bits are 4 ones, class E. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. By seeing the prefix, I can say, right, in every IP address, in the first byte, by seeing the prefix, I can easily say it belongs to which class. IPv4 class full address. No, so what I want to say is you can write IPv4 or IPv6, it doesn't matter. IPv4 or IPv6, it doesn't matter, right? You have two ways. You're getting? You have two ways to represent the IP addressing. There are two ways are there, right? It's a class full or classless, whatever way you want, you can represent, right? So this is that representation is for our purpose. Right? You can represent in the class, right? Class full also, classless also. For our purpose only, that is, right? So IPv4 can be represented in the, right, classless also, class full also. IPv6 also can be represented, right? IPv6 also will be represented, right, in the classless also, class full also. Simply what I want to say, it is not for which version. IP addressing is two ways. IP addressing can be represented two ways: classless, class full. Two ways are there. Whichever way you want, you can represent. Right? Fine. I'm thinking that until now everyone is fine. Now please help me. One small question I want to ask you. If the first bit is 0, remaining 7 bits are there? If the first 2 bits are 10, remaining 6 bits are there? If the first 3 bits are 110, remaining 5 bits are there? Right? Next one. First 4 bits are 1110, remaining 4 bits are there? Now please help me, right? What is the total? 0 followed by 7 bits. What is the minimum value, maximum value? If you observe clearly, 0 to 7. First one is 0 anyhow, no use, right? So with the 7 bits, what is the maximum, what is the minimum? What is the answer? I think 7 also zeros, 0. 7 are ones, 2 power 7, 128 minus 1, 127. So what I want to say is, if the first octet is 0 to 127, class A, let's go to second octet. Can you help me now? Right? See this one, 6 bits are there. 6 bits, what is the minimum value? 0. Followed by here already 1 is there. Right? I think MSB 1 means 2 power 7, 128. So minimum is 128. What is the maximum? That 128 plus 63, 191. Verify properly. So if the first octet value is 128 to 191, which is going to be class B, and one more, already double 1 outside, here 5 zeros, I think it is going to be 192 minimum, minimum. Next one, this one, right, 128 plus 64, 192 plus 5 bits, what is the largest value? 31. That 192, 31 you add, it's going to be, I think, 223. Check one time. 223. Please verify properly. Right? If you want, I will write also. It's I think 128. Let me write now. 128 plus 64 plus 31. 8 plus 4, 12. Right? 13. 10, 12. I think 223. Same. So this is going to be 224, 2. 224, 2. I think same story. What are the 110? 11, right? 1110 means 128, 64, 32. 32. So I think minimum is 224. Minimum is 224. Already the 224. Minimum 224 plus what is the answer? 4 means 15 will come. So I think what is the answer? 224. 224 plus 15. 9. I think 239. It is going to be 240 to 255 like this. So what I want to say is, in the given IP address, first octet is from 0 to 127 class A, right? First octet is 128 to 191 class B, right? Next one, first octet is 192 to 223 class C. First octet is 224 to 239 class D. First octet is 240 to 255 class E. In the similar way, right? In the given telephone number, right? First three digits are 040 from Hyderabad. Right? In the given telephone number, first three digits are 011. I think from Delhi. I don't know. I didn't remember exactly. Maybe 011. Suppose first three digits are 022. I think it's from Mumbai. So I have some rough idea because I stayed in Mumbai. I think 022 is Mumbai, 011 is from Delhi, 040 is from Hyderabad. In the similar way, 0 to 127 class A, 128 to 191 class B, 192 to 223 class C, 224 to 239 class D, 240 to 255, right? Which is going to be class E. Remember, some part you are fixing in the first byte of every class. Please check. In the class A, only first bit you are fixing. In the class B, first 2 bits. Class C, first 3 bits. Class D, first 4 bits. Class E, first 4 bits. How you are fixing? See, I written the diagram also. If the first bit is 0, class A, 0 means conclusion. 1 means no conclusion. 0 means first bit 0, class A. First bit 1, then answer is BCD. In the BCDE, which one? If you want to know, second bit also you have to read. Second bit 0, class B. Second bit is 1, again CDE. Right? Next one, in the CDE, which one? Third bit you have to see. If the third bit is 0, class C. Third bit is 1, DE. In the DE, which one? Fourth bit is 0, D. Fourth bit is 1, E. Like that. I hope you got it. Please let me know if anyone having doubt. Please let me know if anyone having doubt. Do you have any doubt? Those people who are watching, do you have any doubt? Let me know once. Let me know once. Those people who are watching, please let me know once. Do we have any doubt? Right. Some people are asking, sir, what about second byte, sir? Second byte can be anything. So by seeing the prefix only, I can decide which class. Second byte can be anything. What is the second byte range? 0 to 255, anything. Because 8 bits. 0 to 255, anything, no problem. 0 to 255, anything. Only first byte will decide. First byte will decide. Which class it is, first byte will decide. In the first byte, one bit fixed. First bit is 0, which is going to be class A. First 2 bits are 10, class B. First 3 bits are 110, class C. First 4 bits are 1110, class D. 4 ones, class E. Like that. I hope everyone got it. Right? Fine. Yeah, so I think it is a month end. Right? So, right, we'll see the remaining story from the next class onwards. We will see the remaining story from the next class onwards. Thank you so much for attending. Thank you so much for attending. Right, see you in the next class. Next class, mostly preferably I will take, right, 2 hours class, or approximately, right, 1 hour to 2 hours class. I will try to take 1 hour to 2 hour class. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Right, if you are really serious, my suggestion is, right, please join the Unacademy as soon as possible, so that you can complete the syllabus as early as possible. Thank you so much. Good night.